Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And I'm Waheeda.
And I am Juliana.
So today we were going to show about the calculation for the past year, January 2014. The question is number 2.
Let's go!
So today, the question is about the extent of reaction. So we will show you the simplest and the shortest way to solve the question. And
this is the question.
So for this question, we have two equations. So for the first equation is a chi1 and for the second equation is chi2. And for this question, we need to solve three things. A, B, and C. For the A part, we need to draw and label a flowchart of the process. So this is the flowchart of the process. Okay, so the information that given is the input, which is 10 IB mole per hour, the selectivity 0.85 and the fractional conversion is 0.92. And we assume and we let the composition of the outlet as N1, N2, N3 and N4. Okay, for the B, we need to calculate the reactor outlet composition extent of reaction. So this is the formula for the extent of reaction, which is N out equals to N in plus minus chi. So this is equation for each composition, which is N1, N2, N3, N4. And based on the information given, we can find N1 by the fractional conversion. So by using the fractional conversion formula, we can find N1. So the N1 is 0.8. And for the selectivity, selectivity is equal to N3 over N4. So we can know the equation for selectivity is 0.85 N4 equals to N3. So we know that N3 equals to 0.85 N4. Okay, for the N1, to find the N1, we know the value of N1. So we can find the chi with this equation. So for the end of the equation, we can solve the chi because we have two unknown chi, which is N1 and N2. So we go to the N2. Okay, for the equation N2, and firstly the equation for N2 is 30 minus chi1. So now we didn't know the value for chi1, so we can use the equation for N3 to find chi1 and chi2. So the equation for N3 is chi1 minus chi2. So we can replace the value for N3 with the selectivity, which is 0.85 and 4. So we replace here, and we also can replace N4. We can replace N4 with chi2 because N4 equals to chi2. So we use the mathematically method. So we can get chi2, which is 3.228, and we can insert the value for chi2. We can get the value for chi1, which is 5.972. So now we get the value for chi1 and chi2. So we use the value for chi1 to get the N2. So the value for N2 is 24.028. Then we also can get the value for N3. So N3, we know that N3 is equal to 0.85 N4. So the value for N4 is equal to chi2. So we replace the value chi2, which is 3.228 in N4. So we get the value for N3, which is 2.7438. So now we get the value for N1, N2, N3 and N4.
Okay, for the part C is fractional yield. formula for the yield is N form over N stoichiometry. First of all, we need to find the N stoichiometry. The equation for N stoichiometry is 1 mole of ethylene glycol over 1 mole ethylene oxide multiplied by 10 mole ethylene oxide. So we find the value of the ethylene glycol, which is 10 mole of ethylene glycol, and then we insert the value of N stoichiometry into the equation of yield, which is N form we get from the entry, which is 2.7438 over 10 mole of ethylene glycol, and we get the answer 0.27. Okay, that's all from us. Hope you enjoy and understand it.
And thank you, Madam Marmi, for this whole semester.